Question 1. Single cell protein is also called as. The correct answer is option D, all of above. Novel food, mini food, and microbial protein. Question 2. Single cell protein production in India. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. National Botanical Research Institute and Central Food Technological Research Institute. Question 3. Which of the following microorganism is not used for production of single cell protein? The correct answer is option D, virus. Virus is not used for production of single cell protein, while bacteria, fungi, algae, yeast are used for the production of single cell protein. Question 4. Which of the following fermenter is used for production of single cell protein? The correct answer is option A. Airlift fermenter is used for the production of single cell protein. Question 5. Which of the following are post-harvesting process for single cell protein production? The correct answer is option D, all. Separation by centrifugation, washing and drying are the post-harvesting process for single cell protein production. Question 6. Which of the following chemicals are used for reduction of nucleic acid content from single cell protein? The correct answer is option D, all. Acidified alcohol, salt and acid and alkaline are the chemicals used for the reduction of nucleic acid content from single cell protein. Question 7. Which of the following impurities are present in single cell protein? The correct answer is option D, all. Nucleic acid lipid contains carbohydrates, which are the impurities present in single cell proteins. Question 8. Which of the following method is used for removal of impurities from single cell protein? The correct answer is option D, all. Crumbling, crushing, thermal shock are the method used for the removal of impurities from single cell protein. Question 9. Which of the following impurities removed by thermal shock? The correct answer is option C. Nucleic acid impurities removed by thermal shock. Question 10. High amount of nucleic acid impurities in single cell protein lead to in human. The correct answer is option A, kidney stone. Question 11. Why yeast is used as a source in single cell protein production? The correct answer is option D, because it can be easily harvested, contain high level of lysine and malic acid and grow at high acidic pH. Question 12. Which of the following microorganisms require ammonium salt as a nitrogen source in single cell protein production? The correct answer is option C. Filamentous fungi require ammonium salt as a nitrogen source in single cell protein production. 30. Which of the following are the application of single cell protein? The correct answer is option D, all. Leather processing, emulsifying industry and use in poultry and animal feed industry. Question 40. Which of the following is not high energy source in single cell protein production? The correct answer is option B, molasses. While methanol, ethanol and methane is a high energy source in single cell protein production. Question 15. Which of the following is the correct order of single cell protein production? The correct answer is option C. Preparation, cultivation, prevention and separation are the correct order of single cell protein production. Question 16. Which of the following method is used for production of single cell protein? The correct answer is option D, all. The Bell process, the Samba process, the protein process. Question 17. In which process liquid waste of dairy is used as a substrate for single cell protein production? The correct answer is option A, the Bell process. 18. Which of the following is yeast which grow on ethanol? The correct answer is option C, Torula yeast which grow on ethanol. Question 90. Which of the following is not a mechanical method for cell wall destruction? The correct answer is option B, osmotic solve, while wet milling, sonification, decompression are the mechanical method for cell wall destruction. Question 20. Which of the following is not a physical treatment method for cell wall destruction? The correct answer is option A, autolysis, while osmotic shock, heating and drying are physical treatment methods for cell wall destruction.